Hey guys, you probably can't see me right now, but we are 4 minutes away from shooting night on the first duck hunt of the year. I'm out here at L&M Lake Golf Retreat. They got some excellent ducks out here. I'm just trying to see how many have moved down already. I'm hearing some fly around. I'm hearing them talking a little bit, so I know there's some ducks in the area. So stick with me and see if we can't fill out a quick limit this morning. Well, so far every single duck has gone over to that other side. Oh, dang it. I still hear some over here on that bank. That's a nice mallard. Nice. Nice. Look at them all. There's one down. See if I can't get that before the lake does. Oh, I got him with that second shot good. Beautiful mallard, baby. These shells are something else. I shot in front of him with the first shot. That second shot, oh man, just hearing it smack him. Wow. All right, we got one. Oh, first duck I shot at all year. I was able to get it and bring it down. That's awesome. Oh, using some new bismuth rounds this year. Never tried them before. I paid a lot of money to get them, but dang, they did some damage. Wow. Look at that big duck. That is so awesome. That is so awesome. Man, that was cool. Those mallards circled or kind of went back and forth a couple times, or like weren't sure about it. Hope them set up okay. I mean, it was good enough to get them close as they did. Yeah, a lot of them were all landing over there. That water to the north. And there was a spot that I could set up over there. There just wasn't really a good spot to hide. The nearest place to hide was actually a pretty good distance from the water. So I could set the decoys up, but I'd be shooting probably 40-yard shots at a minimum. I mean, it's not really what you want for a decoy setting. Those ones have no intention of stopping, I don't think. One thing about duck hunting though, you gotta stay focused, because I was looking at those three and I was sitting here calling, and all of a sudden you might accidentally call, or not accidentally, but you might call one in from somewhere else you weren't even looking at. So you gotta be ready. And I might have to sneak over there and see if I can't shoot some. It's not really what I want to do, obviously. I'd like to call them in, but I might have just picked the wrong spot. Let's see here. Yeah, look at them all on that bank over there. That's a bufflehead. Could have wadded up right there. Those are coots. Don't care about those so much. Bufflehead's coming down the line. I don't really want to shoot you buffleheads today. Oh, those are mergansers. Yeah, fish eaters. Really pretty ducks, the hooded mergansers. Looks like a gadwall spinning in circles. Oh crap, here come a bunch of ducks. These are big ducks. They flare off, of course. They flared off because they saw me sitting here. buffleheads. Oh, those are all teal. I think that's what those are. I could have wadded up a bunch of teal right there. I thought those were buffleheads. I think they're all green-winged teal. I wouldn't have been opposed to that. That was a good shot. Teal are higher than hell now. Let's see if they come back. Just don't move. Alright. I'll figure out how to go over there and get that one. I think that is a gadwall over there. It is a gadwall. Something's wrong with it, I think. Something's wrong with it, but I don't know what. There we go. Alright, well. I don't know what's wrong with this gadwall, but I'll go ahead and add her to my limit. Oh, there you are. Oh, nice. That might be a female Norwegian. Yeah, it doesn't really look like a bluebill, does it? I'll have to look that one up. That one's a little tough for me. The females get a little more confusing than the males. It's also kind of got that shape. It's got that head shape of a widgeon and the white patch and belly of a widgeon. I don't know, I have to look that up. Well, there's half my limit. So it's a pretty bird. I gotta say, these bismuth rounds are, they really put it to them. I was able to call in a couple ducks at least this morning, get them to come by, take a look. They really just wanted to be in that back though. The other ducks I've noticed are all up there in that front corner, which is not the, man, I really thought they would have come to this end. Whatever, what can you do? So I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning up and talk to you guys more at the truck. Woo! All right, guys. Put a lot of work in for those few ducks. But okay, I can show you what's up here. Got a beautiful mallard. Got a hen gadwall that had something severely wrong with it. And I got a female, what I believe is a female widgeon. So, whew, that was a lot of work, but it was a lot of fun. I had a little bit of success. Didn't fill out the limit. I could have on the teal had I not mischaracterized them. I thought they were buffleheads, and I didn't really want to shoot a bunch of buffleheads. But upon them coming around for a second time, it did look like they were teal. And I should have definitely have pulled the trigger a couple times on those. Might have filled out my limit, but that's okay. You know, they'll be here next time, or more ducks will move down. I mean, they move all the time. So anyway, man, guys, girls, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for following along, and I'll get these ducks cleaned up and get on to the next one. Later.